Okay, so now we're going to do the value ladder. So what you're going to do is, and then right here, so secret format, the ones we just used. Let's see, where are we at here? Oh, they must have kicked all the way up here. Okay, which one am I looking for? I am looking for the lead funnel builder. No, I'm not. Sorry, my bad. The ladder framework, value ladder. Okay. And help me create my value ladder based off of info. Let's see what it says. Now, if you remember correctly, we've already done hook, story, offer. We did our secret formula in the beginning, and now we're moving to the value ladder. So this is giving me a free bait offer, which is the authentic kickstart, free guide or workshop. Entry-level offer would be an AI content starter setup, help them experience quick wins by setting up one AI tool or workflow. Start producing consistent, authentic posts without burnout. And then we have a core offer, the AI content system builder, done with you or done for you. Deliver your transformation, a full branded AI content system trained in their tone plus templates and automation, that would entail high level, right? And then we have the premium offer, which is funnel and automation accelerator. Build out full high level automation, lead magnets, email campaigns, and review workflows. They have an automated client attraction nurture system. Okay. And then we have the elite VIP offer. So visibility amplifier mastermind. Offer your top tier one-on-one a group mentorship with done for you support and optimization. Your direct mentorship and optimization. That is a big value letter, huh? Visibility amplifier mastermind or retainer. Offer your top tier one-on-one or group mentorship. Okay. All right, let's go with that. The ladder walks coaches and creators through a belief and results journey. They start by learning that AI can sound authentic, experience it working, automate it, scale it. Each rung solves one problem and naturally reveals the next. How do I sound human with AI? Optional funnel flow. If you'd like to visualize next free guide workshop. No. All right. So this ladder, okay, that's cool. So this is my ladder. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to copy this into a sheet. Okay. Or if you don't like it, you can tweak it. You can, if there's something on there you don't like, you can say, hey, I don't like this. I need something different. Or here, let's just do this. I'm not sure about that one. Can you redo? Can you redo this? Okay, let's see what it does. Let's refine it together. Okay, so would you describe your brand energy as more educational, empowering? You teach them to do it themselves. Transformational and supportive, you help them do it with you. Concierge, the results driven, you mostly do it for them. Yeah. I don't know, A and B, all three. I'm gonna do this. Hey, so I'm gonna say and this one. And do you want your value to focus more on building authority and audience, visibility and content creation, system automation and scaling? I'm going to say this. Probably going to be the same value ladder, but anyways, just so you know that you can do that. So it's going to like redo it for you. You can add stuff to that. It doesn't have to be what the options that they give you. You can add to it and it'll redo it. So let's see what it comes up with. Start by teaching, inspiring coaches and creators who want to grow authentic. AI visibility workshop. Introduce your belief in AI can sound human and help them grow faster. They learn how AI can match their real voice and start believing growth in AI is possible. Okay, free awareness. Entry level, quick win. AI brand voice setup. Train AI to sound exactly like their brand voice and create their first 5 to 10 authentic posts. core offer. AI Visibility Accelerator, done with you. Build their full AI-powered content system with your messaging templates and workflows. Triple their, premium concierge, creator automation suite, done for you. Okay. Elite VIP, monthly strategic content, ongoing. Yep, I like this one better anyways. Okay, awesome. So now we're going to take the mission. We're going to get our mission value. Let's get back up here. It's up here somewhere. Okay, so value ladder framework, value ladder mission statement. And, we now create our mission statement. Okay. So your ultimate transformation is helping coaches and creators grow their authority and reach authentically through AI. Step 2, reverse engineer the journey. Okay. Here's how your value ladder guides them to that transformation. Craft the mission statement. We help who achieve what result by how your ladder guides them there. Here are 3 refined versions for your mission statement. We help coaches and creators grow their authority and reach authentically by guiding them through a proven AI content system that evolves from hands-on learning to full automation. Authentic AI systems that amplify your voice. Social bio version, helping coaches reach. Evolves in fully automated visibility, giving you more reach, more freedom. Yes, I like it. Would you like me to polish it next for a specific tone? Actually, honestly, we can do for the about page. Perfect. The about page. Okay, so then here's my value ladder mission statement I can put on my about page. So that's pretty cool. All right, well, I hope this helps. This is the next step in the funnelology. I'm basing a lot of this off of how Russell Brunson does his frameworks. So, with my own tweak, but this will help. This will definitely help you build your funnels. So hopefully, like I said, this helps. So I'll see you on the next one.